Why 8 out of 10 ads fail to make sales? Here's a tough truth. 8 out of 10 ads fail to make a single sale, and the reason isn't your product or your price. It's the words you use. Here's the headline moment. According to Nielsen research, 47% of an ad's sales impact comes from the creative itself. That means almost half of your success depends on your copywriting. So why do most ads fail? Reason 1. They lead with features, not benefits. Saying waterproof watch is fine, but saying never worry about rain ruining your day makes people care. Customers buy outcomes, not specs. Reason 2. They don't grab attention fast enough. Studies show you have less than 3 seconds to hook someone before they scroll past. That's why most ads disappear without a click. Reason 3. They forget emotion. People don't buy because of logic. They buy because of how the message makes them feel. If your ad doesn't connect emotionally, it's dead on arrival. Now let's turn that around with 3 actionable tips. Tip 1. Start with a hook that stops the scroll. Use a bold promise, a shocking fact, or a relatable pain point right away. This works because attention is the most valuable currency online. Tip 2. Always show the benefit first. Instead of saying fast internet, say stream your favorite shows with 0 lag. This works because people imagine the result, not the feature. 3. Use proof. Mention reviews, numbers, or customer wins. This works because trust turns hesitation into sales. But here's the problem. Writing ad copy like this takes time, energy, and creativity. That's the problem. It gets worse when you need multiple ads every week for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and email. The frustration grows, and many business owners give up or waste money on ads that never convert. But there's a simple solution. AI Creator Max has over 100 templates for titles, blogs, ads, and emails. They're all built on proven psychology like ADA, PAS, and more. Just answer a few questions, hit generate, and your copy is ready. It helps you write 10x faster so you can focus on running ads that actually work. Try it free today. Link below. Bonus tip. Test 2 variations of your ad copy. Even swapping one word in a headline can lift conversions by 20% or more. And here's a light moment. If your ad sounds like a boring instruction manual, no wonder people scroll past. Now you know why 8 out of 10 ads fail to make sales and how to avoid the trap. This video is part of a mini course playlist designed to help you write ads, emails, and copy that actually convert. So binge the rest of the series to get the full playbook. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe, and comment with the biggest ad copy challenge you face right now. And don't let another week of ad spend go to waste. Apply what you learned today and try AI Creator Max free at aicreatormax.com, because the next ad you write could be the one that finally sells.